So you want to make those famous talking animations using Capcut? Well, this is the right place. Let's get right into our video. So the very first website we have here is Lexica Art. Head over to Google and search for Lexica. And by opening this link, we will have this page here. And we have to search for an image. So I'm going to say anime guy. You can search for any sort of character you are looking for. And from these, you can choose what is more suitable for your needs. For example, I think I'm gonna go with this guy, so I can open this image and save this image. And after that, we also have to search for a studio background. So I'm gonna search for anime studio. And this will give us a lot of backgrounds to choose from. You can go with any of them which you like. Just make sure to select one with no characters. For example, this one looks nice, so I'm gonna save this one. We also have the download button here, so it will save it in the JPEG or PNG format, as you can clearly see. And up next, we have to remove the background from our first image of the character. So I'm gonna search for background remover. And I'll go with this second website here. On this website, you have the option to upload the image. So I'm gonna upload our character's image and then it will remove the background. Now here we can simply download this updated image. And now once you have saved this image, what we have to do is get a table and a nice mic. So for this one, I'm gonna save this image, but I need to get this in the transparent format. So I'm gonna download this as PNG from the original website. And also the same goes for the mic. I'm gonna open this link and go to the original site where I can save this. Now we need to open up Photoshop and create a new document for this resolution, 1280 by 720 pixel, and click on the create button. And now we have to drag in our background. So what we have here, for the background, I'm just gonna drag it. You can adjust the size to match the width and height of our document. And now we need to add our transparent character here. So I'll do just that. And last but not least, we have to include our table here as well and the microphone. So just like that, we have our table and now the microphone as well. And now that we have our table and microphone, what we have to do is remove the mouth from the character. So I'm going to select the brush tool and then I'm going to rasterize the layer like that. After drawing the mouth, we have to save this image as PNG once again. So I'm going to save it as PNG, export. And now you have to open Capcut and click on the new project. This will open up this window and then click on the modify button here on the right. For the ratio, select 16:9 and click save. And the first thing we have to do is import all our files. So for us, we have this image and then the talking mouth. So I'm gonna drag them here. And with that, you can put this into the timeline along with the talking mouth image. You can increase the length of our image by dragging it just like that. Make sure to match it with the mouth video. By selecting the mouth video, we have this option called video and then we can select cut out. And here, simply click where it says chroma key. By clicking on the eye picker color, you can click on the green button. Increase the strength and shadow to a maximum, and after that all you have to do is increase or decrease the size to match with our character and place it accordingly. After you have placed it, all you have to do is click on this export button and once again click on this export button. Now this is generating this video for you and then you will be able to save it. So that's all for today's tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.